and welcome to all. Today you are learning one of the important grammar topic, that is affirmative and negative sentences. Now an affirmative sentence gives always positive informations. Now what is negative sentence? A negative sentence gives negative information. It contains word of negation such as no, not, nothing, none, never, or the short form of nt, that is not, joined with the auxiliary verb, that is don't, must not, can't, etc. You can change many affirmative sentences into negative sentences having the same meaning and vice versa. So some examples of affirmative sentences that change into a negative sentences. First, this is false. This sentence is an affirmative sentence. So the negative sentence is that this is not true. Okay. Now second, I am unable to find it anywhere. This sentence is an affirmative sentence. So the negative sentence is I can't find it anywhere. Now the third sentence, I refuse to tolerate disobedience. This is an affirmative sentence. Now the negative sentence, I do not tolerate disobedience at all. Fourth one, this was my first attempt at swimming. This sentence is an affirmative sentence. So the negative sentence is I had never attempted swimming before this. Now the fifth sentence, she needed only some sugar. This sentence is an affirmative sentence. Now the negative sentence, she needed nothing except some sugar. Okay, now the sixth sentence, this is the only explanation. This sentence is an affirmative sentence. Now the negative sentence, there is no other explanation. Okay, now the seventh sentence, earlier. This is an affirmative sentence. So the negative sentence, don't waste time. Now the eighth sentence, the flowers looked abnormal. This is an affirmative sentence. The negative sentence is the flower did not look normal. I will always remember you. This is an assertive sentence. Now the negative sentence is I will never forget you. Now the next sentence, he stayed with the prince. This is a assertive sentence. Now the negative sentence is he did not leave the prince. Now the next, he was unable to pass. This is an assertive sentence. Now the negative sentence is that he could not pass. Now the assertive sentence, that is be sensible. The negative sentence is that don't be silly. Thanks for watching.